How to fix Instagram Feeds. Following problem easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, first all you have to do, just try to turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it on again, and go back and try again. And if that doesn't fix your problem, let's move to the next solution. Go to settings, scroll down, go to apps again, and then type Threads and click on it. Then click on force stop. After that, hit on storage and clear cache, and that's it. Now just go back and try again, and if that also doesn't fix your problem, now just try to clear the data. And I hope this video is helpful for you. Now just go back and try again, and that's it. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.